Hello again, everybody. It's Scott Hudgins with Dodd RV, located in Yorktown, Virginia. Family owned and operated since 1956. Today, we're looking at a brand new 2022 Forest River Rockwood Signature Edition 8291 RK. Rear kitchen, opposing slides, nice light interior on this one. We loaded it up with 2 ACs, awning toppers. So let's check this one out. Guys, remember, watch all the way to the end of the video. I'll show you a clip with the slides in so you can see what we do and don't have access to. Also, check down in the description. I'll have a link to other campers if this is not quite the one you're looking for. And also all your specs, your holding tank sizes, measurements listed down below. Always remember to give me a quick thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button, hit that bell. The bell will give you a notification every time I put a new camper on. So be the first one to see new floor plans, options, decors. Make sure you hit that bell. Thanks again for watching. Scott Hudgins, Dodd RV. All right, stand at the entry door looking in. See the opposing slides, rear kitchen. Looking at the stone decor, Newport Ash cabinetry, King U dinette. We'll head up the stairs, start up in the master bedroom. Moving up, you see you've got the central vac, nice stair lighting, large assist handle, magnetic catch that holds the door open for you. You are looking at the king size bed. Got the shocks, storage underneath, and the boxes are your griddle. Got receptacle on both sides of the bed. Lighting, windows that do open. You also have roller shades. You've got good hanging storage. These shelves remove. Deep drawers. Mirrored closet doors. You've got washer dryer prep. Also hanging area if you need it. In the bedroom, your windows open here, and you've got the roller shades. You've got a spot for a TV. Nice deep drawers. Ducted AC. We did do the second AC in this one. That's ducted as well. You got your speakers in the bedroom as well. Fuse panel, circuit breaker here in the bedroom. Into the bathroom. Nice stainless steel sink. Nice backsplash look there. Spot for your toothbrushes, extra storage area, and the shower. Got the bench. Tons of room. I'm 6'5". I'm not even in the skylight, so you got a couple more inches here. Medicine cabinet. Porcelain foot flush toilet. You do have the heat ducts and AC. Max air fan with the roof cover. More storage. Moving down the stairs. You've got your control panel. Your Go Power controls for your solar panel. Let you know the power you've got on your battery right now. Control for your lights, your slides, your awning, heated holding tanks, all in one nice area. Dual zone thermostat, again, for the second AC. Your love seat does open up and make into a bed. I'll show you a setup of that. All right, there's the bed in the down position. Wanted to show you this before we put it down, that you do have plenty of storage. When you fold this down to make it into a bed, you can put your linens, your pillows, cushions, anything like that in there. And you do still have room to open up one of the theater seats. You got the divider down. One person can still be sitting while someone's sleeping or laying down. And it's a very easy setup and breakdown of this. It's just the 2 legs. And then you're back into the sofa. You've got the cushions with the Velcro backs. And you're all good to go. Got lighting, storage, lighting above the storage cabinets and in the kitchen as well. Receptacles. Your Millersburg theater seating is directly across from your entertainment area. You've got the lumbar support, pull cord for your footrest. Again, windows open throughout. You've got the day and night roller shades here. Speaking of the entertainment area, you've got your electric fireplace that does put out heat. ROV Technologies. You can sync your phone to that, control the zones, control that sound bar there. Large TV, does have storage behind it. Acts as a swinging arm so you can see it from the kitchen, but also easy access to your hookups and tons of storage. U-shaped dinette. It's in the down position now, which is the best way for it to travel, but I'll show you the bed setup, also the eating arrangement. All right, with the cushions in the middle, there's your sleeping area. You can remove these backs if you're looking to gain a couple more inches. If you got someone tall sleeping here, pulling those cushions up. And the Velcro, again, holds them in place on the wall for you. Then we can set the table back up pretty easily. Table pops right up. This lever is the lock, putting it up or down. And you've got the ledge with the Velcro that the table rests on. Very easy setup and breakdown of the booth dinette. Got your full pull-out drawers. Again, day-night roller shades, and your windows do open. You've also got the bar stools and sitting area here. Nice solid surface countertops. Subway tile backsplash, and all your windows open. 3-burner range, large Magic Chef oven. That range does open up. You've got dual stainless steel sinks and separate roll-up covers. Got the extended spray head, the baggies because it is winterized. You've got charging area, plenty of lights. Your controls for here are for your lights up top. Large microwave. Tons of storage, glass textured front. You've got all your goodies down here in this bottom bag. This TST tire monitoring system gives you the ability to check your pressure, the temperature, a nice safety feature that Forest River includes. All the other goodies, we won't go through all of them, but your filter for your water filtration. Good spot for your trash can. Lots of drawer storage. 12-volt refrigerator freezer. And then a nice large pantry with the motion sensor lighting you just saw kick on. Up high storage that is very deep. Vent. Again, we mentioned the ceiling fan. More receptacles. Your brand new 2022 Forest River ROCKWOOD 8291 rear kitchen. We'll work our way outside. Take a look out there. All right, moving to the outside, you see the nice ROCKWOOD signature logo. Your Kurt turning point, kingpin on the front. Storage area up front. You've got your battery boxes, your jacks, battery disconnect, ventilation, the docking lights for the LED light strip on the front. Then you've got your portable solar panel hookup. So you can do actually a solar panel on a tripod or a movable one that you can plug in here to charge the batteries, in addition to the one that we did on the roof. You've got your 30-pound LP bottle on both sides. Controls for your auto leveling. Your outside shower, your water hookup. You can run everything through the bottom here. Nice, clean, wide open storage. Water filtration. Magnetic latches and slam latch doors. Convenience light. We equip this with slide toppers over your slide outs. Moving down the side, you see the frameless windows. Sewer connection. Storage in the back. This is in your rear kitchen area, so you got a trash can, so it's accessible from inside and out. We are looking at a 50 amp service. Factory installed ladder. We'll take a look at the roof. Top of the roof, you see your solar panel, max air fan cover, your TV antenna, your 2 air conditioners. Top of your slide outs with those slide toppers. You are prepped for backup camera. You do have a receiver on the back that's got a 300-pound hitch weight. Outside shower connection here as well. You've got a rack here for a griddle that it does come with, and an LP connection. You have an awning on the face of the slide out in addition to your main patio area, so 2 awnings. This one covers your outside kitchen, storage area. It does have the hard shield on it with the LED lights. Outside kitchen, you've got the 2-burner range, large electric refrigerator, storage, receptacles. Again, shocks that hold that door up for you. Slam latch, and you've got your outside speakers. Step above entry steps fold right up into the camper. Easily adjusted. You've got the trigger latch on the side to adjust the height of the legs depending on the terrain. Back side of the hot water heater. We mentioned the second awning. Other side of your pass-through storage. This prep table will hook right here. So in between your kitchen and storage area, and then you can hook the TV up outside and connect it right into your cable connection. Nice little spot to hold your hand cranks, and then the hookup for your central vac. But again, nice clean storage. You do have heat ducts. You do have electric. You have lights. And again, slam latch. And the other side of your LP, your brand new 2022 Forest River ROCKWOOD Signature Edition, 8291 rear kitchen. Thanks for watching.